Hello, this is Peter and Maddie and me. Uptown Swing, level 1, Charleston. We did more kickaways, even better, and then we did the around the world and the kickaways. So remember, kickaways, we're going double kick, double kick, double kick, double kick. You're not aiming your kicks and you're trying to turn a lot. So on this one, we're really trying to turn away from each other and bring our hands with. That gives us a lot of connection. If we're trying for that every time, then our around the world is not so tough. We tried this little practice thing that you can practice at home. You can try double kick, single, single, double kick, double kick. And going back into it. So from here, from the top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going. I could come right back and be done. Then we did one more little thing, a kick and slide. Let's face each other one time. We did 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, zoom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, zoom. We just threw that into the basic. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, zoom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that was it.